Hello student, here we discuss about the leftover hybridization sp3d2 or dsp2, sp3d or dsp3 or sp3d3 hybridization. I am Veena Dixit. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, share my video. Here earlier we have discussed sp, sp2, sp3 and dsp2. Now I will discuss sp3d or dsp3. Trigonal bipyramidal geometry will be there. Example PF5, SBF5, PCl5, complex molecule FeCO5, pentacarbonyl iron 0. Here this is the structure. This is central atom, and there are three type of angle: axial angle 180-degree angle, equatorial angles are 122, and axial and equatorial angle it is 90-degree. So this is 90-degree, this is 120-degree. Axial mx XMX bond angle will be here equal to 180. So this axial bonds 180-degree. Clear? This is for sp3d hybridization, and this is for sp3d2 hybridization. You know that it can be sp3d2 or d2sp3. Octahedral shape will be there because all bonding electron pairs are there. So we discuss about sp3d, we discuss about sp3d2 structure. Now see here, in trigonal bipyramidal, I told you three type of angles are there: 90-degree, 120-degree, and 180-degree. One angle is 180-degree. sp3d2 octahedral, we discussed earlier that there are 12 SFS bonds are there. F, S, 90-degree bonds are there, and three bonds are 180-degree. Okay, 12 SFS bonds are equal to any I am giving example, they are of 90-degree. Okay, when we discuss about this, then I am writing FSF, and otherwise you can use this also. So these are complex. Here this is d2sp3 hybrid, this is sp3d2 hybrid, because this is strong ligand, so pushing pairing will be there. So d2sp3 hybridization. Water is weak ligand, so pairing will not occur. So this is outer orbital complex here obtained. Okay, when electron pushing will be there, so at that moment we will get inner orbital complex. Clear? Now sp3d3, we know that this is requiring 7 bonding pairs, 72-degree angle and 90-degree angles is there, and the geometry is this. Draw this geometry. Okay, 90-degree and 72-degree angle will be there. So we discuss about this pentagonal bipyramidal, we discuss about octahedral, and square pyramidal hybridization will be same, one lone pair will be there.